The Vision Assist helps users observe obstacles by displaying the imagery of the flight direction of the aircraft. Swipe left on the attitude indicator, right on the mini map, or tap the icon in the lower right corner of the attitude indicator to switch to the Vision Assist view. The direction of the line indicates the current direction of the aircraft, and the length of the line indicates the speed of the aircraft. Arrow indicates the direction of the Vision Assist view. Tap and hold to lock the direction. Tap the lock icon to unlock the direction. Tap to view the map. Tap to close the Vision Assist view. Tap to maximize the Vision Assist view. When an obstacle in the current flight direction is detected, the Vision Assist view shows a collision warning. The color of the warning is determined by the distance between the obstacle and the aircraft.